What's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you how to do an install when you have a non-threaded adapter. So first off, what exactly is a non-threaded adapter, or how do you know if you need a non-threaded adapter? So when you go and you take your OEM shift knob off of your car, take a look at your shifter arm, and if you have no threads on your shifter arm, then you need a non-threaded adapter. So for install, we're just going to need a 1/8 inch Allen wrench and some side cutters or scissors for cutting the zip tie. Here we have our non-threaded adapter and the zip tie that comes with that. So we're going to go ahead and do an install on this shifter arm here and show you how to do it. So we have everything broken down here and we are left with the bare shifter arm. You can see there is no threads on this, so we know we need a non-threaded adapter to do a install on one of our shift knobs. So first thing you're going to do is take out all the set screws that came in your adapter, and we're going to apply blue Loctite to those before we reinstall them. Once you have blue Loctite applied to all the set screws, we're going to go ahead and slip this down the shifter arm and snug these all up. At this point, go ahead and install your collar and your shift knob, and you're going to tighten this down. And when you do so, you can see that is out of alignment. So now you can go ahead and loosen those screws and turn the whole adapter and shift knob until everything is straight, and then retighten those down for good. Now you can take the shift knob back off and install your shift boot. So slide that down the adapter and flip it inside out. And we're going to go ahead now and install the zip tie. Tighten that down and cut the excess off. We can go ahead and fold our shift boot back in. Reinstall the collar, reinstall the shift knob. Everything lines up straight, and you're good to go. So that's it. Pretty simple install on this non-threaded adapter. So if you had any questions, hopefully this video answered them for you. Thanks for watching.